In this tutorial, I will show you how to sell crypto on OKX Wallet. So first of all, open your OKX Wallet app. And if you aren't started yet, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to earn a nice welcome bonus up to $50 in crypto. So let's go over to our portfolio in the bottom right. So in your portfolio section, go ahead and take a look at your crypto down below. And here you can see all crypto that is in your account. So right now I only have Bitcoin. So when I want to sell my crypto, then I'm going to click on that specific crypto. So that's Bitcoin. And in here, I can click on sell. So once I do that, I will enter this screen, click on OK in here. And now I can enter the amount that I want to sell. And when you click on the arrows, you will change euro. So right now you can enter an amount of euros that you want to sell. Let's say €2.50. Then I can go ahead and add a receiving method. And right now that is my balance. So now I can click on preview. And then I will see the amount of fees that I will be paying. And those are 0, so that is nice. And right now I need to click on sell Bitcoin. And then my crypto will be sold. So let's go ahead and do it. And as you can see, our order is complete. We have sold our Bitcoin for €2.49. So let's go ahead and click on continue to trade. And now we can see that our balance is topped up. So that is how you sell crypto on OKX Wallet. You can do this with any other crypto. So if this video helps you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.